What's up guys, Daily Driven FP6 here, and in today's video I'm going to be installing the CaRuse Designs aero flap on my 19 Civic Si. Let's get into it. Let's unbox this thing. Looks like we got some instructions. Oh, dude, that's gonna look so good on the back of the car. First off, we're gonna wanna clean the spoiler. And I just got back from a drive, so it is a little gross. So this was another mod that I wasn't entirely sold on. I had completely written it off. I wasn't really planning on doing it. And then I saw a couple more pictures online and looked at it, and then realized if I put this on, I can black out the chrome and it's gonna kind of fit, because it'll be black up here, black down there. So that got the spoiler clean, but now we're gonna need some alcohol to dry it off so that the adhesive can actually stick to the spoiler. Now I'm using 99% isopropyl alcohol. That's probably not 100% necessary, but it dries the fastest, and in my experience cleans quite well. So I'm actually gonna wear gloves while I handle this thing, just because I want it to be absolutely pristine when it goes on the car. Oh dude, that looks so good. All right, now let's get her lined up. Oh, is that centered? No. I think that is pretty much centered. Oh man, that looks so good. So what I'm gonna do is actually mask it with tape, so I know exactly where it's supposed to sit. Because now I have to take it back off the car and then peel off the adhesive backing. Now we just pull off this last little bit of backing. Press it down into the spoiler. Masking tape. And she's installed. Wow, that looks so good. So it really is that simple of an install. It's very straightforward. Just line it up and make sure the tape is good. I just think it looks so good. It flows with the stock spoilers so well too. Yeah, that's dope. I also want to show you one other mod that I've done to this car recently in the theme of aero. Got an eBay JDM Type-A front lip on there. It's fairly subtle, especially since it's still painted black. But I think it adds that little bit of extra flair to the front end. And I think that extra little bit of black on the front end will help when I black out this chrome on the grille right there. Yeah. The car is definitely coming along nicely. You can see that aero flap just barely peeking out back there. Oh, that looks so good. Hell yeah. So the EK has officially been moved into the garage, and there is a good reason for it. This really saddens me to say, but the interior of this car has molded pretty substantially Door cards are fairly moldy. The steering wheel is fairly moldy. Passenger seat, definitely got it too. But it's overall not too bad. So I let it run yesterday. I'm actually kind of shocked it started and ran. But seatbelt got it bad. I'm sure that seatbelt is also pretty bad. But yeah, not the end of the world. I am going to be cleaning it up, making sure it does not mold again in the future, and probably also gutting this carpet so that that's one less thing to mold. This car is not a daily, never will be again, and honestly will probably just be a fun car that only sees street action every once in a while. And I would honestly love to track this car, but it's not in the shape that can do that just yet. So we've got a nice little restoration project on our hands, and that will be a fun video, cleaning mold out of your interior. So now both my cars are in the garage and dry and out of the elements, unless they're on the road. But I'll be cleaning them up and definitely getting them ready for this summer, where hopefully I can take them both out to car meets and fun stuff like that. Cruises. Right, Nix? What do you think? Yeah? Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been a video about my eBay front lip and installing my CaRuse Designs aero flap for the 9th Gen Civic Si. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!